Hello students, your instructor here, John Mandiola with another screencast, this one in Dreamweaver, and we're talking about uploading files to your FTP space. So a number of you are using CyberDuck or a similar FTP client, and that's totally fine. I am a fan of CyberDuck and WinSCP, but some of you may have been having difficulties with that or looking for a solution that might make the process easier, make more sense to you individually, or something that might be more comfortable with. So if that's you, you can use Dreamweaver to actually do this as well. What's important is that you go, and you should have already done this, but if you go to Site, you want to go to Manage Sites, and your site should be listed in this white area. So for this one, I just called it My Site Folder is the name of the site, and if I go to edit it, if you don't have one there, you're going to want to hit New, and make sure that it's based on the root folder that you have for your website project. So this is CS4, it might look a little different in CS5, but essentially I have, this stuff, my local root folder, local images folder taken care of. I have my FTP host taken care of, my login, my password, passive FTP. I've tested it, so if I test this again, you can see that Dreamweaver connected to the web server successfully. So that's good. So I'm just going to get out of this. And also what I'll notice is that in my Files panel, I'll make this larger, you can see that this is my site so far, just a few pages and an images folder with one image in it. And what you can do, so let's say that these 3 HTML files and this image, let's say all this in my site folder is ready to upload, I can hit this button right over here. It's blue and white, expand to show local and remote sites is what it says. I'm going to click on this and I'm still in Dreamweaver, you can notice that right there. But I'll get this kind of view. On one side will be my local files, that's your computer. On the other side will be the remote site. So obviously I have a lot of things on my remote site already, but I'm going to make new things there. Before I get started, I want to make sure that this connects to remote host, looks like a little plugin, is clicked on. So I'll click on that. And again, I'll see some kind of dialog pop up. So it's connected successfully, that's good. If I got some kind of warning that I wasn't connected successfully, that's where you might want to go back into your managed site menu and make sure everything is kosher there. Alright, so I've got this. So what I want to do over here on my remote side, I just want to right click and make a new folder. I'm going to call it the exact same name as my root folder. In this case it's going to be, I just called it My Site Folder. Enter. Very good. And actually inside of there I want to create my images folder, so I'll right click right on it, new folder, images. You can see now the root site folder and then the images folder or the subfolder to it. So then what I can do, there's two ways I can do this. The first way is I can, let's say with this selected, I can take sample demo to HTML, drag and drop it right in the folder. You can see when I hold it over folder, I get the little image icon with the plus sign. That's good. If I hold it over here, it's nothing. It doesn't want me to allow me to just drag and drop it anywhere. So I'm going to put it in the site folder. Okay, I'll try that again. And there we go, it's uploading. You can see that the HTML file is now in my site folder. That's good. Another way I can do it is if I click on one of these, I can hit the Put button. Alright, Put Files button. I'll click on this. Try this again. And it puts it up there. Now, it may not put it where I want. So what I want to look for is, here's page 2 to HTML. It's loosely in my FTP space. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into my site folder. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for page 3. I'll put that up. And again, drag it into my site folder. Images, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this image and drag and drop it right in this images subfolder. Try this again. That may just be happening because I'm recording a screencast of it. And if I open up images, I can't see it. So I will look to see where I put that image, then I'll just drop it in the folder. You may also see some activity down here, letting you know that you're uploading files if you're uploading more than one at a time through a drag and drop or something like that. You can always refresh right here to make sure that everything is good. And anyway, then when you go check in your web browser, you'll be able to see those files there. So this is another way that you can upload files to your FTP space if you're having troubles with a different way.